'Cause I'll be switching the positions for you. Cooking in the kitchen and I'm in the bedroom. I'm in the Olympics where I'm jumping through.
'Cause I'll be switching the positions for you. Cooking in the kitchen and I'm in the bedroom. I'm in the Olympics where I'm jumping through.
'Cause I'll be switching in positions for you. Cooking in the kitchen and I'm in the bedroom. I'm in the Olympics where I'm jumping through. 'Cause I'll be switching the positions for you. Cooking in the kitchen and I'm in your bedroom. I'm in the Olympics where I'm jumping through.
Oh, Miss Sugar, lick a lips. Hit me with your sweet love, still me with a kiss.
Baby,
I'm your biggest fan. I follow you until you love me. Papa, paparazzi.
baby, there's no other superstar. You know that I'll be your paparazzi.
Would you guys be there for me if I was going through something?
No.
Nope.
Absolutely not.
I hope it sucks whatever you're going through.
I hope it sucks.
What the fuck?
I hope it emotionally scars you for the rest of your life.
I hope you reach out to me so I can ignore you. I can't wait to go to your funeral knowing that I could have changed that outcome.
Boys both have the virus? Are you sure?
We're not just sure, we're HIV positive. Will you stop it with that? What part of this is funny to you? Kyle, we need to try to find out... What part of being infected with a deadly disease do you find funny? I don't think it's funny, Kyle. Then stop saying you're not just sure you're HIV positive. This isn't funny, AIDS isn't funny, dying isn't funny, so shut the fuck up! Well, excuse me, Kyle, for trying to keep some optimism, you know? Sometimes when things seem their darkest, you just need to try and stay HIV positive. But if you want to be so HIV negative all the time...
I lost my glasses, and they've been gone for 3 days, so that means I haven't been able to see for 3 days. And I need my glasses to find my glasses, because everything is blurring, everything is meshing together. Somebody help me find my glasses.